Landowners against the location of a new men's prison in Lincoln County had their first day in court today.
The state moved to dismiss the lawsuit brought by landowners in the group Nope. Today, a Lincoln County judge heard the state's argument to dismiss the case and the plaintiff's plea to let the case continue in court. The Lincoln County Courthouse was filled with more than 100 area landowners who are all part of the group Nope, who filed the lawsuit against the state DOC in November. The judge began the hearing by acknowledging the strong feelings attached to this case and let everyone know she would not be making a decision today.
This is a big case. It's a big case for all of the citizens of South Dakota, and I completely understand that Judge Momenga is going to need some time.
Landowners like Kaya Broders say they're not only concerned about their properties or even just this prison.
The state's main argument that I have understood was, they're the sovereignty, and the rest of us should bow down to that, which is concerning for me going forward, knowing that any other state project really could trample any county ordinance.
While the plaintiffs argued the proposed prison site violates Lincoln County zoning laws and the county's comprehensive plan, the attorney for the state argued 5 key points making his case for a dismissal. The center of that argument is the state's sovereign immunity that preempts any county matters. Attorney Grant Flynn saying in his argument, quote, "A master cannot be beholden to its creation." He also argued that because of separation of powers, the court should have no place in ruling on legislative or executive branch authority.
My understanding of how our government operates is that's the exact purpose of a 3-pronged judicial system, is that we all have some checks and balances here.
Landowners like Reed Vanderveen say they were also concerned by the state's argument today that although the state understands no one wants a prison in their backyard, it has to happen somewhere, and no matter what area landowners say, the state has decided where the prison will go.
Basically, they said that the position of the people holds no merit, and I'm pretty certain one of the primary claims of our government is that under God the people rule.
Now, Lincoln County Commissioner was in the courtroom today saying he supports the landowners' concerns about where the state plans to build the prison and wants to offer an alternate location.
There's nothing wrong with building in Lincoln County. What the issue is you just shouldn't be building a 1,500-bed prison in somebody's backyard in agricultural land. Because what we're worried about, especially as county commissioners, we're worried about what happens after the prison is built and what grows up around it.
Commissioner Aaron says a landowner along I-29 by the Worthing exit wants to offer to sell his industrial zoned land for the project. Tomorrow morning, the Lincoln County Commission will vote on whether to send a resolution to the governor and state corrections office to consider building the prison at this alternate location.